Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Talk with Aegis. Today, our topic of conversation will be about the importance of disaster recovery drills. With me here today is Mr. Garick, the head of cloud service delivery of Aegis Cloud. Garick has been in the cloud backup and disaster recovery industry for over 10 years. He leads a team of disaster recovery engineers to assist businesses in ensuring data protection, data recovery, and most importantly, successful disaster recovery drills. So, Garick, thank you for joining us today.
Hi, Ivy.
Without further ado, let us jump right into the question.
All right.
Okay. Question number one. First of all, can you explain what is disaster recovery drill?
Okay. Disaster recovery drill is part of a disaster recovery plan. So, in a disaster recovery drill, organizations will perform a recovery of their IT systems based on a disaster recovery scenario. For example, fire, flood, or it could be even power outages.
Whenever we talk about disasters, we always assume it's the worst case scenario like flood, fire, tsunami, tornado. But in actual IT world today, disasters are often referred to as power outages, internal IT, internal employee sabotage,
Correct.
and
Ransomware.
Yes, and these are the most common threats that we are facing currently.
Yes, you're right. This is the common disaster that we face currently.
And based on your years of experience, do you think DR drill is important?
Okay, a disaster recovery drill is important because a disaster recovery plan involves various people from multiple departments performing specific steps and procedure to recover systems that will meet the company's technology needs after a disaster.
Yeah. So, what is the most important aspect of a DR drill?
During a DR drill, you can discover flaws in a DR plan. So it's better to discover flaws during the DR drill rather than during an actual disaster.
Yes, because during disaster recovery drills, that time you can still, like you say, enhance the plan.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
Better than when actual disaster happen that time, then only everything will be very havoc.
Yep.
Right? Okay. Is it important to develop a disaster recovery plan?
Yes, a disaster recovery plan is a set of procedure that an employee needs to follow when a disaster happens. So this plan will help employees to mitigate the process of getting businesses up and running as fast as possible.
That means to minimize the downtime of the business.
Yes, the objective is to minimize the downtime so that business can continue.
Okay. Now, must organizations' DR plan be certified by DR professionals?
Definitely. For example, if you are designing a building, your building need to be certified by an architect. So similar to a disaster recovery plan, your DRP need to be certified by a DRP professional.
With Aegis Cloud Disaster Recovery, we have obtained the Disaster Recovery Certified Expert certification since 2012. Aegis CDR is qualified to certify businesses' IT DRP plan. When DR drills are conducted, does it affect production?
Okay, here in Aegis, what we do is we will create a DR infrastructure which is isolated from the production infrastructure.
Okay.
Yeah. So by doing this, customer can run their DR drills any time of the day.
So which means that when DR drills are happening, the production is still running?
Yes, your production is still running and there will not be downtime to your production servers.
Okay. And what is the recommended number of times organizations should actually test out their DR drills in a year?
Minimum will be once a year, but we will advise customer to perform it twice a year.
With Aegis Cloud Disaster Recovery Service, we provide complimentary unlimited DR drills in a year. So Garick, I understand that Aegis Cloud Disaster Recovery's DR drill is different from other service providers. Can you explain what is so special about Aegis DR drill?
Here in Aegis, our core business is to provide cloud disaster recovery services to our customers. So what we do here is we have a dedicated DR drill team led by a certified DR professional. So this team, what they do is to ensure your DR drill will be successful.
Does Aegis CDR provide customization of IT DR plan to customers?
Yes, we do. Why we do it is because different organizations have different requirement on ITDR plan.
Okay, so Aegis CDR also provides customers complimentary DR seats for customers to use for DR drills. Am I right?
Yes, we do provide complimentary DR seats. It's actually in our office. It comes with office amenities like Wi-Fi, you have printers,
whatever
pantry,
whatever
table
that you
and chairs.
can see in an office environment, it will be
Yes.
provided in the DR seats package.
Yes, correct.
So, okay guys, we have reached the end of our segment. I hope you now have a better understanding of the importance of disaster recovery drills, and by not practicing the DR drills, there will be a lot of risk that an organization have to bear. Okay, and remember to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn or Twitter. You can also find us in our YouTube channel. Please give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Garick, for your time.
Thank you,
Bye.
Ivy. Bye.